Meisner with the three. Drains it.
Those threes have not come frequently on this court, but if Bellevue Christian can shoot the three.
Traffic gets Reynolds out top. Meisner with the three. Got that one. She now has 6. Move the ball around. Good ball movement here by the Vikings. Finding the open player. Somebody's going to get a shot here pretty soon. It's going to be Meisner with another three-point attempt. She drains it.
Can't leave Meisner open right now. She's locked in from beyond the arc. That's her third 3 of the game.
Upper dribble, skip pass over to Meisner. Meisner dribbles around the defense and is able to lay it up and in for an easy 2. And so that we can just control this game and keep rolling the way that we are. And then for the Rangers, what adjustments are they going to make to stop Meisner from getting that wide open 3? So we talk about adjustments, and one of the adjustments we can see right away is that Boast is not letting Meisner get too far away from her. Even though the Rangers are staying in this 2-3 zone, if you watch Boast, she's not going to let Meisner get too far out of her sight. Meisner out top, dribble penetration inside the free throw line, lays it up over the rim and in for 2.
And Meisner's a problem right now for Natchez Valley. She's scoring from beyond the arc, and now she's going to start attacking the basket.
Both. She's going to take it straight up. She's going to get fouled.
Good sportsmanship, though, by Lily Meisner. Commits the foul and immediately helps her back to her feet.
To Meisner. Meisner's going to step inside the free throw line. Little floater for 2. Meisner now has 15.
She got over half the points for Bellevue Christian.
7 on the shot clock. Meisner's going to have a wide open 3. She drains it.
Unbelievable ball game for Lily Meisner.
Lily Meisner will go to the line to shoot 2.
Finley Hahn Keenan checks in for Natchez Valley after Meisner hit the first. Trying to get a 20-point game here.
Meisner makes them both. She's got 20. They're set. Bellevue Christian's going to advance, and they're going to face Annie Wright tomorrow at 5:30 in our semifinal number 2. It's time to name our Thorbeck's MVP, brought to you by Thorbeck's Athletic Club. Strong today, stronger tomorrow, strongest together at Thorbeck's. And Matthew?
Oh, did you just want me to say it?
You're killing me, Smalls.
It is going to be for, of course, the Bellevue Christian Vikings, Lily Meisner. I was hoping we'd have final stats. What she finished with 20. I put all my papers away. 20 points, 4 3-pointers for her as well. And it kind of, again, was just the score in a game that really was a defensive battle for the most part. But Lily Meisner, especially in that second quarter where she knocked down the 3 triples to kind of open things up and set the tone for the rest of the ball game.
Absolutely, yeah. It was a great game. That puts a wrap on this broadcast.